Have you ever noticed your remote control car making a grinding noise or struggling to move forward, even with a fresh battery? It can be a real head-scratcher when your favorite RC vehicle loses its zip. Often, the culprit lies deep inside, where power meets the wheels. Installing new remote control drivetrain parts, such as gears or drive shafts, involves carefully disassembling the surrounding components, removing the worn or broken part, and then precisely installing the new one before reassembling everything. This process ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently, restoring its full power. The drivetrain is the system responsible for transmitting power from the motor to the wheels. Over time, components like spur gears, pinion gears, and drive shafts experience significant wear and tear due to high speeds, torque, and impacts. Replacing these parts is crucial because worn components can lead to inefficient power transfer, stripped gears, and even complete vehicle immobilization if left unaddressed. It is like replacing a bicycle chain that has stretched too much. The whole system performs better and lasts longer with fresh parts. To begin, you will need a clean workspace, the replacement parts, and the correct small tools, typically including a hex wrench set and perhaps a small screwdriver. First, carefully remove the wheels and any outer covers that obstruct access to the drivetrain. Next, take photos or make notes of how the parts are assembled. This is a lifesaver during reassembly. Then, locate the specific worn drivetrain component. For instance, if replacing a spur gear, you would typically loosen the motor mount screws to create clearance, allowing you to remove the old gear. After removing the old part, install the new component, ensuring it seats correctly and aligns perfectly with its mating parts. For gears, proper gear mesh, which is the slight gap between meshing teeth, is vital. You can often set this by placing a small strip of paper between the gears, rotating them once, and then tightening the motor mount. The paper should exit with a light imprint. Finally, reverse your disassembly steps to put everything back together securely. Remember, patience and attention to detail are your best tools here. An important tip is to always use thread locker on metal-to-metal screws, especially those holding critical drivetrain components like pinion gears or motor mounts. This specialized adhesive prevents screws from vibrating loose under the constant stresses of remote control operation, saving you from future headaches and potential damage. Also, consider upgrading to hardened steel gears if you frequently experience stripped plastic ones, as this can dramatically improve durability for high-power setups. This small detail can make a big difference in how long your new parts last and how consistently your vehicle performs. By methodically replacing worn drivetrain components, you are not just fixing a problem. You are actively extending the lifespan and performance of your remote control vehicle. Understanding this hands-on maintenance empowers you to keep your hobby exciting and ensures that every time you hit the throttle, your RC car responds with reliable power and precision, ready for its next adventure.